Hi sir, ikaw po yung mag-apply ng trabaho sir?
Yes.
Okay po. So, sa ngayon sir na gusto lang kita interviewin. So, at saka kung anong posisyon yung gusto mo apply dito sa company namin. So, senior high school graduate ka sir?
Yes.
30 years old?
Yes.
Okay. So, based sa aming resume sir is you have experience, right? You have experience. Ang nakalagay kasi dito sir is you have a lot of experience. So, naka-security guard ka sa sa Gmall.
Opo.
Okay po. Security guard ka pa sa Gmall. By the way sir, I am Ernesto and also 28 years old. I'm manager for as of now sir is direct interview pa tayo sir. Okay ba sa'yo?
Opo.
Okay po. So, actually sir, I don't need more experience. Hindi ko po kailangan yung mga experience na sa mga nag-a-apply ng trabaho. It's more on nag-a-apply dito is walang experience. So, hindi naman sa paninira ng ibang industry or like other organizations for others company industry. So, ang kanilang ina-allowed sir is with experience. So, for me sir, I don't need experience. But, kaya ka ng trabaho is gusto mo makapag-experience, right?
Opo, sir.
So, pag ako yung sir, yung kumukuha ng mga tao at saka naghahanap ng mga employee. So, ang hinahanap ko sa isang tao, yung mapagtiwalaan. At saka, marunong paano i-handle yung kanyang trabaho o ang kanyang position as a security guard. Hindi din na porket na nag-apply ka, tinanggap ka namin is marami kang experience, right? So, that is not important. Alright?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, by the way, share I have little questions about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself. We'll start now.
Ako si Kyron L. Benavides, 30 years old, nakatira sa Dumalag 3.
Okay. So, ilan po kayo magkapatid, sir?
4.
Apat. So, may asawa pong 4, sir?
Opo.
Okay. Ikailan ka po sa magkakapatid?
Ika-4.
Ika-4 din po, alright. So, mayroon ka pang kuya at saka ate. Okay, by the way, sir, ang i-offer namin sa iyo trabaho, sir, okay lang ba, sir? Security guard ka sa back office?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, yun ang position mo, sir. So, mayroon kami dapat ipapaprovide sa iyo, sir, na mag-submit ka ng mga requirements. Especially, sir, yung benefits natin, sir. So, hindi natin yung pwede maiiwasan, sir. Is important na siya, sir, is SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, at saka NBI and police clearance. So, nag-collect po kami of police clearance at saka NBI. So, at saka, sir, is importante din po yung medical, sir. So, pag ma-provide mo ito lahat, sir, waiting to approval ang inyong kontrata, sir, ha? So, pag ma-approval ang inyong kontrata, sir, at saka ma-provide mo tayo ng mga requirements dito, pwede na ka mag-start sa aming trabaho as a security guard. Okay ba, sir?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, siyempre, alam mo na kung magkano ang minimum rate sa Davao City, right?
Opo.
Okay. So, yun lang, sir. At saka, siyempre, nakita ko naman yung resume mo dito. And you're graduated and senior high school, Trans Daniel Aguinaldo, right?
Opo, sir.
Okay, very good. So, your experience is Gmall as a security guard, right?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, but I told you, experience is not important to me. It because there are a lot of people who have experience, but they're not love their work. At saka, yung iba, hindi nila inayos ang kanilang trabaho kasi gusto nila lipat ng lipat. Kahit saan ka pang lilipat, sir, trabaho pa din yun. Kaya yung trabaho mo, sir, kung gaano mo kamahal yung sarili mo, ganun din kamahal ang iyong trabaho. Pag ang trabaho mawala, alam mo kung ano mangyari, mapapabayaan mo ang iyong sarili. So, gusto ko lang idagdag sa mga kaalaman mo, mahalin natin ang trabaho, kahit saan man tayo mapunta, kung saan man ang trabaho, mga opportunity na dumating sa ating buhay, at saka ito ay ating pangangalagahan. Okay ba sa'yo, sir?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, Kyron, and thank you for attend for interview, and congratulations, you are part of our company. So, I'm waiting for your requirements to provide, right?
Po, sir.
Okay. And thank you so much and congratulations. Tanggap ka na sa aming company. Okay.